I'm on a road trip, and today we're going to talk about the importance of popping your hood every once in a while. Of course, it's very important to know what your oil dipstick says, and mine here is about halfway between full and max and min, which is cool. But what I'm going to talk about though is these blue spots over here. It looks like windshield washer fluid, right? Well, kind of, sort of. But look at that. It's sprayed up there as well. So now I'm worried, and I wanted to know what's going on. I already know that these cars used blue coolant. So now what you do is look in here, and if you notice this part right above the water pump, it looks a little, let's get the flashlight, there you go. Looks a little wet, crusted, and whatnot. So let's attack it from this side, maybe. Yeah, there you go. You notice this hose, the upper radiator hose, which is going to be this big one right here. Yeah, there you go. This is a hose. No, not that. This one right here. This is a hose. So follow that hose all the way to where it goes into the thermostat housing. You notice there's some crust and crudding over there. So that's something to watch out for. I've already looked at the reservoir, and I am above minimum, so I'm not too concerned right now. But that is something to keep an eye on. It really helps. This is me reiterating that you should take precaution and just look under your hood. You might see something odd, and even if you don't know what the blue is, maybe you could ask somebody on the forum or something like that, and someone could tell you something to watch out for. So what that tells me, I'm comparing it with this other hose up here. This is the upper radiator hose. This one is the lower radiator hose. And I'm thinking either the clamp is bad or maybe it just wasn't seated properly. It's really weird that it's showing up right now. Or very unlikely, but a thermostat not working right and being overpressured on this side. But anyway, I'm going to look at it whenever I get my tools ready. Okay, so there you go. Just I like sharing my experiences with people, just letting you know things that you could look out for and reminding you, take care of your car and it's going to take care of you. So for now, we caught it before it became a big problem, but if you had not seen that and just kept driving, you could probably lose coolant and end up blowing a head gasket or something like that, overheating. But yeah, that's it for now. We're good. Till later, guys.